Hello everyone. In this tutorial on PMN Online, we will learn how to enhance photos with Grok AI. In the world of digital photography, achieving that perfect, crisp, high-definition look can often be a challenge. Whether you're a photographer, a social media enthusiast, or someone who just loves taking pictures, you know that sometimes a photo needs a little extra magic. That's where Grok AI comes in. This powerful tool can transform your everyday images into stunning, high-quality visuals. In this video, we'll dive deep into how you can use Grok AI to enhance your photos, ensuring they stand out and shine. First things first, let's address an important point. It's crucial to note that Grok AI's photo enhancement feature is a paid service. So, depending on your plan, there might be some limitations on availability. Now, let's get started with the step-by-step process. To begin, open up your preferred web browser. You're going to want to search for Grok AI. Once you hit enter, look through the search results for the official Grok AI website. Click on it, and make sure you're on the right page by checking the URL and looking for that little secure lock icon in your browser. This ensures you're not on a lookalike site, which could potentially be unsafe or ineffective. Once you've confirmed you're on the official page, you might encounter some notices about different plans or usage limits. Don't worry, this is completely normal since enhanced features are often part of paid packages. Next, direct your attention to the left sidebar of the website. You'll want to find the section titled Imagine. Click on it, and then choose Images. Think of this area as your creative playground within Grok AI. It's specifically designed for all your visual tasks, allowing you to manage your files and execute enhancement prompts in one convenient space. This setup makes the entire process streamlined and easy to follow. Now, it's time to upload your photo. Click the plus icon to start the upload process. Select the file you want to enhance from your computer. Grok AI supports common formats like JPG and PNG, so you should be good to go with most standard images. If you have multiple versions of the photo, opt for the cleanest and highest quality version. Starting with a better original typically results in a sharper final product once the image is upscaled. Keep in mind that larger files might take a bit more time to process, so patience is key if you're working with high-resolution images. When your image is uploaded, you'll notice a text box appears. This is where you can describe what you want Grok to do with your photo. Type in a clear and concise prompt instructing Grok to make the photo high definition, upscale, and enhance it. For instance, you might write something like, upscale and enhance this image to high definition, increase sharpness, preserve natural colors, and reduce noise. Specific instructions like these help the AI understand exactly what you're aiming for. If your photo contains faces or text, it's a good idea to mention preserving facial details or keeping text legible. The simpler and more direct your wording, the better Grok AI will understand your intent. Once your prompt is ready, go ahead and click the submit icon to start the enhancement process. You'll see Grok AI begin to work its magic. Processing time can vary depending on the size of your image and the current system load, so it might take a little while. When the process is complete, the enhanced version of your photo will appear for you to review. Take a close look at the edges, textures, and fine details to ensure that the enhancement meets your expectations. And there you have it. You've successfully enhanced a photo using Grok AI with a straightforward process. Remember, this powerful enhancement tool is part of a paid feature set, so be sure to check your plan if you want ongoing access. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to enhance photos with Grok AI. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe PMN Online so you never miss an update.